Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Leave granted in special leave petitions. These civil appeals are filed by the appellant aggrieved by the order dated 8 April 2015 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in special appeal numbers 189 and 190 of 2015. By the aforesaid order, the Division Bench of the High Court has confirmed the order dated 19 March 2015 passed by the learned single judge in writ petitions filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, in which an order dated 10 December 2008 passed by the UP Secondary Education Services Selection Board, hereinafter referred to as the board, was under challenge. The board has issued an advertisement on 3 March 2002 inviting applications for appointment to the post of principal. The last date for submission of applications was 30 March 2002. The qualifications prescribed were the possession of a postgraduate degree from an institution or a university established in accordance with law and possession of a training qualification, namely B.Ed, LT, BT and BP.Ed. The advertisement contained a stipulation requiring teaching experience of 10 years in intermediate classes of any recognized institution, together with a postgraduate degree in the first or second class, or a teaching experience of 15 years for a candidate possessing postgraduate degree in the third class. The appellant herein was originally appointed as lecturer in physics, and his services were regularized from 12 January 1990. He was on study leave for the period between 15 April 2002 to 8 March 2009. It is not in dispute that on the last date of submission of the applications pursuant to advertisement issued by the board, the experience of the appellant was 9 years and 3 months as against the requirement of 10 years. Initially, the board prepared a panel of selected candidates in the month of August 2002, which contained the name of the appellant herein. In view of the litigation concerning selection of panels, the said panel was not operated for the purpose of issuing appointment orders. Only after orders are passed by this court in the month of May 2008, the panel prepared in the year 2002 was operated, and the appellant was appointed as the principal of the college, and he joined as such on 15th October 2008. On 18th October 2008, a complaint was lodged before the District Inspector of Schools, Jhansi, alleging that appellant did not possess 10 years of teaching experience, and same was mandatory for selection to the post of principal as per UP Secondary Education Services Selection Board Rules 1998, read with Regulation 1 of Chapter 11 of the Regulations framed under the Intermediate Education Act 1921. In view of such complaint, on the ground that appellant herein has not fulfilled required qualification of 10 years experience, His appointment was cancelled on 10 December 2008, which order was subject matter of challenge in the writ petition filed by the appellant herein before the High Court of Allahabad. The learned single judge has dismissed the writ petitions by the order dated 19 March 2015 by holding that the period during which the appellant was on study leave cannot be counted towards teaching experience, and on the last date of submission of applications the appellant did not fulfill the required eligibility criterion, that is possessing 10 years of teaching experience. The learned single judge, by recording a finding that the appointment could not be protected under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, rejected the petitions. Said order was challenged by way of special appeal, being SA number 189 and 190 of 2015, mainly on the ground that possession of 10 years of experience cannot be regarded as an essential qualification in view of the power conferred on the board under proviso to section 16E(3) of the 1921 Act. The division bench of the High Court, rejecting the plea of the appellant herein, dismissed the special appeal by recording a finding that after enforcement of the UP Secondary Education Services Selection Board Act 1982, the requirement of 10 years teaching experience is a necessary qualification and is mandatory. During the pendency of the proceedings, the board has issued exemption proceedings in favor of the appellant, granting exemption of 9 months of teaching experience. As pleaded in the counter affidavit, it is stated that such an exemption order was passed in view of the order dated 8 October 2015 passed by the High Court in special leave petitions. When order of exemption is passed, such order was again challenged by way of writ petition before the High Court, which is ordered to be transferred to this court, and on such transfer the same is numbered as transferred case number 5 of 2018, which is also taken up for hearing along with these civil appeals. For the sake of convenience, the facts of the civil appeals are being referred to. We have heard learned counsel on both sides appearing in civil appeals as well as in transferred case and perused the material on record. Stop.